10 drinks to protect your eyes and repair vision. Do you find yourself constantly squinting at screens or struggling to read small print? If so, it might be time to pay more attention to the health of your eyes. While regular eye checkups and proper eye care are essential, did you know that what you drink can also play a significant role in maintaining good vision? In this video, we will explore 10 delicious and nutritious drinks that not only help protect your eyes from damage but also support their repair and overall health. From antioxidant-rich teas to vitamin-packed smoothies, these beverages are not only refreshing but also packed with nutrients specifically beneficial for your eyes. So, if you're looking for natural ways to improve your vision and safeguard those precious peepers, grab a glass and let's dive into the world of eye-healthy drinks that will have you seeing clearly in no time. The link between nutrition and vision is a fascinating journey into understanding how what we consume directly impacts the health of our eyes. Our eyes require specific nutrients to function optimally and maintain their structure over time. Antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and zinc play a crucial role in protecting our eyes from damages caused by free radicals. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil are essential for the development of retinal cells and can help prevent dry eye syndrome. Including foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin such as spinach, kale, and eggs can support healthy vision by protecting against age-related macular degeneration. A balanced diet filled with colorful fruits and vegetables not only benefits overall health but also contributes to maintaining sharp vision throughout our lives. Carrot juice, often overlooked in the realm of popular beverages, packs a powerful punch when it comes to eye health. Rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A and a potent antioxidant, carrot juice can help protect the eyes from harmful free radicals that can lead to vision problems over time. Additionally, this vibrant orange elixir contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two essential nutrients known for their role in promoting healthy vision by filtering out damaging blue light. When it comes to repairing and maintaining optimal vision, incorporating carrot juice into your daily routine can be a game changer. The high levels of vitamin A found in this humble vegetable can support the overall health of the retina and help improve night vision. With its refreshing taste and array of benefits for the eyes, adding carrot juice to your diet is an easy way to prioritize your visual health and indulge in a delicious drink that supports clear sight for years to come. Imagine a world where you could safeguard your eyes simply by enjoying a delicious and nutritious drink. Enter beta-carotene, the unsung hero of eye health. Found abundantly in certain fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach, beta-carotene is the precursor to vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for maintaining good vision. When consumed regularly, beta-carotene gets converted into vitamin A in the body, helping to protect our precious peepers from various eye conditions that can deteriorate eyesight over time. But here's the kicker: beta-carotene doesn't just fend off potential eye problems, it actively promotes overall eye health as well. By acting as an antioxidant in the body, this compound helps combat free radicals that can cause damage to our eye cells and tissues. In essence, incorporating beta-carotene-rich drinks into your diet isn't just about preventing issues, it's about actively nourishing your eyes so they can function at their best for years to come. So next time you're sipping on that vibrant orange smoothie or indulging in a leafy green juice, know that you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also giving your eyes some much-needed love and care. Green tea, hailed for its numerous health benefits, also proves itself as a powerful elixir for eye health. Packed with antioxidants like catechins and flavonoids, green tea can help protect your eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea can help alleviate symptoms of dry eye syndrome and reduce irritation and redness in the eyes. By promoting better blood flow to the optic nerve and improving overall circulation in the eyes, green tea aids in maintaining healthy vision. Incorporating this soothing beverage into your daily routine not only nourishes your body but also serves as a delicious way to safeguard your precious sense of sight. When it comes to safeguarding our precious eyesight, antioxidants are the unsung heroes that deserve a spotlight. These powerful compounds found in certain drinks play a key role in protecting against eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. By neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage our vision over time, antioxidants act as a shield for our eyes, keeping them healthy and functioning optimally. One of the standout antioxidants known for its eye protective benefits is lutein, commonly found in green tea. This potent compound not only helps filter out damaging blue light but also supports the health of the retina, making it a valuable ally in maintaining good vision. Incorporating antioxidant-rich beverages like green tea into your daily routine could be a proactive step towards preserving your eye health and reducing the risk of developing age-related eye conditions. So next time you reach for a drink, consider opting for one that not only quenches your thirst but also nourishes and protects your eyes from within. Blueberries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health. Incorporating blueberries into a smoothie can be a tasty way to protect your eyes and repair vision. This vibrant fruit contains flavonoids that help improve blood flow to the eyes, reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Pairing blueberries with other eye-healthy ingredients like spinach, carrots, or almonds in your smoothie can further enhance its benefits. The diverse array of nutrients in a blueberry smoothie provides essential vitamins and minerals that support overall eye health. Next time you blend up a refreshing drink, consider adding some blueberries to take care of your vision while indulging in a delightful treat. Imagine a world where the vibrant colors of a sunset start to fade, dulling your view of the horizon slowly. Vision is undoubtedly one of our most precious senses, allowing us to witness life's beauty in all its glory. But what if we told you that by simply incorporating drinks rich in vitamin C and E into your diet, you could potentially safeguard your eyesight? These powerful antioxidants not only boost immune function but also play a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation that can damage delicate eye tissues. One exciting study suggests that the combination of vitamin C and E may have synergistic effects in promoting eye health, making them an essential duo for maintaining sharp vision. When it comes to nourishing your eyes from within, think beyond carrots and consider sipping on antioxidant-packed beverages like freshly squeezed orange juice or a refreshing green tea infused with lemon slices. By elevating your drink choices with these potent nutrients, you're not only nurturing your overall well-being but also taking proactive steps towards preserving the precious gift of sight for years to come. Spinach juice, a vibrant green elixir loaded with nutrients, has emerged as a powerhouse drink for eye health. Packed with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, spinach juice plays a vital role in protecting the eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. With its high levels of vitamin A and beta-carotene, this rejuvenating beverage helps repair and maintain the delicate tissues in the eyes while promoting optimal vision. Furthermore, the vitamin C content in spinach juice supports collagen production in the eyes, aiding in maintaining their structure and strength. Incorporating this refreshing juice into your daily routine not only nourishes your body but also offers long-term benefits for your eye health. So why not raise a glass of spinach juice to toast to clearer vision and healthier eyes? Imagine sipping on a colorful, vibrant drink that not only quenches your thirst but also fortifies your eyes against the development of cataracts. Enter lutein, an essential antioxidant found abundantly in certain beverages like kale smoothies and green tea. Studies have shown that incorporating lutein-rich drinks into your daily routine can significantly lower the risk of cataracts by shielding your eyes from harmful UV rays and oxidative stress. Furthermore, indulging in drinks loaded with lutein is not just about prevention, it's also about restoration. As one ages, the eyes naturally undergo wear and tear, leading to a decline in vision quality. By consuming beverages rich in lutein regularly, you are actively providing your eyes with the necessary nutrients to repair and maintain optimal visual acuity for years to come. So why not raise a glass to clearer vision and stronger eye health today? Almond milk, a widely popular dairy alternative, is not just a tasteful addition to your morning routine but also a powerful ally in maintaining eye health. Packed with vitamin E and antioxidants, almond milk can help protect the delicate tissues of the eyes from oxidative damage caused by harmful free radicals. The high content of vitamin E in almond milk supports overall eye health by reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss. Moreover, almond milk is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which are essential for maintaining good eye health. These healthy fats contribute to reducing inflammation in the eyes and supporting proper tear production, preventing dry eyes and improving overall vision clarity. Incorporating almond milk into your daily diet can be a simple yet effective way to nourish your eyes and promote long-term visual well-being. When it comes to supporting eye health, vitamin E plays a crucial role in maintaining good vision. This essential nutrient can be sourced from various foods and supplements. Nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are excellent natural sources of vitamin E that can easily be incorporated into your diet. By including these foods in your meals, you not only boost your overall health but also provide much-needed support for your eyes. Did you know that vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress on the eyes? This antioxidant property is particularly beneficial for protecting the cells in the eye from damage caused by free radicals. Ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin E can aid in preventing age-related macular degeneration and other eye conditions linked to oxidative stress. Consider adding vitamin E-rich foods to your daily routine to give your eyes the nourishment they need for optimal functioning and maintenance of clear vision. Watermelon juice, the refreshing, hydrating nectar that not only quenches our thirst on a hot day but also provides a plethora of benefits for our vision. Bursting with antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene, watermelon juice can help protect our eyes from harmful UV rays and oxidative stress. These powerful compounds work together to reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration. Moreover, watermelon juice is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E, essential nutrients that promote eye health by preventing dry eyes and improving overall vision clarity. Its high water content also aids in maintaining proper hydration levels in the eyes, reducing the chances of irritation or discomfort. So next time you reach for a glass of watermelon juice, know that you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're also giving your precious eyes a dose of nourishment and protection. Don't overlook the power of hydration when it comes to maintaining healthy eyes. Proper hydration plays a crucial role in keeping your eyes moist and reducing dryness, which can lead to discomfort and vision issues. When your body is well hydrated, it helps to produce an adequate amount of tears that lubricate the eyes and maintain their overall health. Incorporating hydrating drinks into your daily routine can significantly benefit your eye health. Sipping on beverages like water, herbal teas, or even coconut water can help keep your eyes hydrated and prevent dryness. Additionally, consuming drinks rich in antioxidants and vitamins, such as green tea or carrot juice, can provide essential nutrients that support eye health and combat dryness effectively. It is clear that our choice of beverages can play a significant role in protecting our eyes and maintaining optimal vision health. Incorporating drinks rich in antioxidants like green tea and berry smoothies into our daily routine can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in eye-related conditions. Furthermore, the inclusion of vitamin C-rich drinks such as citrus juices or kiwi smoothies can support collagen production essential for eye tissue repair and maintenance. As we navigate through the plethora of beverage options available to us, it's crucial to prioritize those that not only tantalize our taste buds but also offer tangible benefits for our eyesight. Experimenting with innovative concoctions like turmeric latte or carrot juice blends can introduce unique compounds that contribute to eye health. Remember, a holistic approach to eye care involves not just what we see but also what we consume, so why not sip your way to better vision starting today?